Okay, this is question 8 on the non-calculator paper. This is a pie chart question. It's pretty obvious from the diagram there, but I don't think it needs us to draw one. It's asking us to do some analysis and work out some numbers from them. So we need to read it carefully. Like all questions, take your time and read the question and find out what they're asking you to do. Harry asked each student in his class how they traveled to school. So how they traveled to school on that day. He used the results to draw this pie chart. So we have car, cycle, bus, and walking. How did most of the students travel to school? Okay, you just need to observe the pie chart. The biggest section on the pie chart is walking, and so most of the students walked to school. That's one easy mark there. Harry asked a total of 24 students. 24 students altogether. Work out the number of students who cycled to school. How many students cycled to school? Wow. This section here is the students who cycled to school. And that's a right angle, that's 90 degrees. Right. The pie chart is out of 360, so you could think about 90 out of 360. However, I think most people should be able to recognize that that's quarter of a whole circle. So that if we simplify this fraction, it simplifies to a quarter. 90 goes into 90 once, 90 into 360 4 times. Or alternatively, as I said, you could just look at it and you realize that that's a quarter of a full circle. Harry asked a total of 24 students altogether. So the whole pie chart represents the answers of 24 students. So I need to find out how many students said they cycled to school. So that's a quarter of 24. Now to find a quarter of something, you half it and half it again. Or you can divide by 4. Alternatively, just think about this as 24 divided by 4. How many times does 4 go into 24? And that is 6. So you could half it and half it again. Half of 24 is 12. Half of 12 is 6. That'll get you the same answer. You need to show some workings here. A minimum of a quarter of 24, or dividing 24 by 4, and 1 for the answer. It's a pretty straightforward question, quite a popular question. Make sure you get it.